Good morning, Omar. It's nice to see you again after the summer vacation.
Good morning, Mr. Ahmed. It's nice to see you too.
How was your vacation? Did you have fun?
Yes, it was really fun. I went to the beach with my family.
That sounds wonderful. Did you swim a lot?
Yes, almost every day. The sea was beautiful and the weather was perfect.
Great. What else did you do during your vacation?
I also visited my grandparents in the countryside. I helped them in the garden and played with my cousins.
That's nice, Omar. Spending time with family is always special.
Yes, it is. I really enjoyed it.
Did you practice any English during your vacation?
A little. I watched some English movies and read one English book.
Oh, that's good. What was the book about?
It was about animals that live in the jungle. I learned many new words.
Excellent. Do you remember any of them?
Yes, words like wildlife, adventure, and brave.
Very good. You have a great memory.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmed. I really like learning English.
That makes me very happy to hear, Omar. Why do you like English?
Because it helps me understand songs, movies, and stories from other countries.
That's a smart reason. English connects people from all around the world.
Yes, and I want to speak it fluently one day.
You can, if you keep practicing. Remember, learning a language takes time and effort.
I know, Mr. Ahmed. I'll try my best.
Good. This year, we'll learn many new things: grammar, vocabulary, and how to speak more naturally.
That sounds exciting. I want to learn how to speak with confidence.
Don't worry, you'll get there. Just speak every day, even if you make mistakes.
Sometimes I'm afraid to speak because I don't want to say something wrong.
It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, really. So don't be afraid. Speak, listen, read, and write. That's the key.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmed. I'll remember that.
Good boy. And one more thing. Try to think in English. Don't always translate in your head.
That's hard, but I'll try.
You'll get used to it. Start with simple sentences. For example, this is a pen. I am walking. It's sunny today.
Oh, I see. That's a good idea.
Yes, it helps your brain get comfortable with the language.
I'll start doing that today.
Excellent. I'm proud of you, Omar. You're a hard-working student.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmed. I really want to be good at English.
And you will be. Just keep learning step by step and don't give up.
I won't. I'm ready for a new school year full of English lessons.
That's the spirit. Let's make this year the best one yet.
Yes, Mr. Ahmed. Let's do it.